House Bytown, Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 1, School Subjects, English. I teach English in South Korea. Boring. This subject is so boring. Math. She's always been good at math. Add. The students are learning how to add and subtract. Difficult. We were asked lots of difficult questions. Learn. We are going to learn how to write a story. Korean. My friend is learning how to speak Korean. Easy. Solving the puzzle was so easy. Test. She is studying for her spelling test. Perfect. She got a perfect score on the math quiz. House Bytown, Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 1, School Subjects.